what is POTS? So POTS stands for postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. And I know that sounds like a lot. It can be a lot to say, and then it can be a lot to explain. Not very easy, so that's why it's easy just to say, like, I have POTS. But let's try to break it down so it's a little easier to understand. So postural means it has to do with your body position. Orthostatic means standing upright. And tachycardia means fast heart rate. So essentially, POTS is when you are going from a laying position to standing up and your heart rate increases. But here's kind of the crazy thing is that POTS is not a heart condition. It's actually a disorder of the autonomic nervous system, which is the system in your body that normally functions stuff like heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and temperature regulation. So when that system is dysregulated, everything just feels completely off. Now let's talk about what POTS actually feels like. For many POTS patients, they can feel a variety of different symptoms. Your heart is racing for no reason. You feel dizzy and lightheaded when you stand. You feel like you might faint or you actually do faint. I've fainted a few times in my life. And there were definitely some very embarrassing moments. Extreme fatigue. And I'm not talking just like regular tired. I'm talking extremely exhausted as if you haven't slept in days. Brain fog. Like you cannot think clearly. And if someone asks you a question and you're just sitting there like trying to remember the response, it's completely normal when you have POTS. It's just called brain fog. Nausea and digestive issues. This is extremely common with POTS. A lot of us can have a variety of digestive issues, feeling shaky or anxious or an out of body. And this is why a lot of doctors can automatically, the first thing they'll do is diagnose you with anxiety. So one of the most common things that I hear and that breaks my heart completely is that I feel like I'm dying, but all my tests come back normal. And I can completely relate to this. I went through this. It's an invisible illness. So you can look completely fine on the outside and function completely fine some days, but then other days you literally feel like you're dying.